So Joker, you feel hurricane this morning?
Yes, man.
How are going?
After me did them film and she in the bathroom a bit.
Yeah.
I call me, what me did? Me say me out the door, yeah. Him run out the bathroom naked. Guess I'm telling you where I run go that door.
What?
No new type of TV them now.
6446, that's my number. Ooh. 64. Hey, we have a nice little lineup tonight, or today, or this afternoon, or tomorrow morning. We have some video of Johnny. No long talk in a gal alone chase. We a jump right in our waist. You know, singer. Let's get into it.
What make you weak to animal?
Alright.
Because that's where my thing is.
That's where your love
That's
is.
your thing. You're a different man from all of it. How comes? What make you?
Because human have whatever.
You're not human.
Animal have
You is
instinct.
not a human.
And hold on. Animal have instinct. And when me pre the thing, most animal they are more advanced more than you people who have brains more than instinct.
So you can't live with animal?
And of course we can live because everything
Animal alone? So you talk to it now. Where your animal them? Where your animal them?
They were asleep.
You should have them here so I talk to.
No.
You can't live with animal alone. You know weak to animal. No. You're not weak to animal. You need to fix up your argument. Animal you love. Only.
I love animal, and I raise animal, and I love people, but people who don't love me, I don't fuck with them.
Everybody can love you. You are who?
Me who? King Johnny.
No, sir. Everybody love God.
Everybody love God.
Go
look it up.
Look up. You need to look up.
Who is you for everybody love? King Johnny. Rule over the nation of TikTok, TikTonia, YouTubia. Yo, Johnny and Cat, they can never agree on nothing. Johnny saying love animal and animal only. Animal alone in want nine life. Cat says, so what you do ya so? What are you doing here? Man, then two ya just drama. Nah, hold up, no time. Moving forward. When we see a Johnny video, me just click because you're sure if you have a laugh. Johnny and Bada Cat, you're sure if you have a double laugh. That's what you're gonna have right now.
You know, see when them are raise cow, them kill the old bull and make the young one grow.
Not in all cases, sir.
You want a young bull feed. No, me just ask you something.
If you want young bull,
Yeah.
I'm saying not in all cases that you will have a prize bull.
Yeah.
You have a prize bull, and in probably 10 years, 8 years, but then you want him to stay within the herd. So even if you have 3 younger bull, you'll get rid of those.
No,
so you keep the
one of them are going to take him space.
at some point, yes.
Yes. So me go and get rid of the whole one and
What
one at a
answer?
time.
You raise cow? You raise cow, sir?
No.
You used to raise cow?
No.
So what you know about raising cow
Them
and prize cow?
human being living among seeds things. Me know what
So
it
oh,
was
other,
to
hold
keep
on.
my herd.
Fine. So other day when you tapping a people in a my system, I me say, me rather XYZ, yeah, come go on like say you want push me
No, but
aside.
no rather no he not hit for me.
Exactly, King Johnny. You are the animal man. And Bada Cat come go like say, man, come in a year thing, come on a year side, come make it, come tell you about animal. You know, work like that. You are the animal king. King Johnny. Yo, man, chat about cow. I discuss cow. Well, it's a very intellectual conversation because I never know them and stuff about cow. So you have to kill the young cow. No, you have to kill the old cow, bull. Whatever they were talking about. It was funny. Yes, let me try again to explain. So, if you have a form, I know not enjoy the video, but of course, me ask if you do me a favor. Just press the like button. It doesn't cost you nothing. Yeah, watch and press the button. Just press the button, man. Just like the video, continue watch it, moving forward.
Anything they draw me in, I'm the best. Me never fail yet.
But you
man.
can't go tell the people no lie. You have to talk
tell no lie.
You have to talk when you read on the script, so that me I tell you.
Alright. Hear this. You know, say me and a man at war. And the man...
Man, you not got me no. Man,
yeah,
you not got me no.
the man back me up the morning. And me have 3 stones. He have around 4 and he up. And I say, boy, right, I know you on straight on me, but me don't think for a side. And I say, alright, since as you're a bad man, just put on your stone. And then put on in stone. And every time he put on his stone, I say, me put on for me too, and put on for him and walk for him. And he say, walk for me, just roll back from the blood, kick them and lick him and then a flattening lie down and go nearly dead. Ask man if I think I lie me.
Yeah, fake laugh. So, oh, you know, oh, at the time, oh, you know the team on the straight on for you. Oh, you know that.
No, a bad man. Me seen witness, me seen lick down man. Me seen lick down man.
So you've seen in action before?
Yeah.
Okay.
So me just time cramp him and say, alright, hear me now, 2 hours a bad man. Just put on your stone and come and go fight fist to fist with the people and say, him like he that drop his stone and walk.
Not like he that tell the people say you use your knuckle brains for them.
Yeah.
Tell them
You know that me go. I'm lick him down flat in the ground, flat in couldn't even move.
Yeah.
Me thinking dead, me run down the yard and lock up in the house.
Me thinking dead, me run go me out and lock up in the house. You gotta say, Joker using knuckle brain for the man, or outsmart man. No knuckle brain. The man a King Solomon. Why is this man in Ireland? Cause who army could have war? Him have stone, me have stone. That don't come like somebody have knife and you have machete. And them tell yourself, put on your knife or put on your machete, make me war it out without weapon. And you go do it and then get stabbed up. Jesus, can I say those stuff on YouTube? Oh, I don't even know. But, oh my gosh. I cooking. Anytime I see this guy and Johnny in a video, it's always some food video. So they love them got man. No one got God. No one got belly. Remember the song there? No, near me. But right now we are move forward.
So Joker, you feel the this morning?
Yes, man.
How walk one?
After me did them film and she in her bathroom a bit.
Yeah.
I call me, what me did? Me say me out the door, yeah. Him run out the bathroom naked. Guess I'm telling you when I run go that door.
What?
Now new type of TV them now. Guy up on top of one place I know want to shake up. That time me have a cloth original big back, you know them first kind TV. That now move, you know. So you me say look out for me in there, you see me I run it down like, you know. I run down vanity to when them they drop off a table, don't you know then they drive
Big back?
No, not big back, the new one easy to drop.
So
Big back no easy drop. Big back heavy. A big back I best TV man. Right now.
Best TV?
Yeah, man I tell me about if you take you out of my house. Me saying that day me come and see that na me house and see what I go up. Cause that I work right through.
Big back?
Yeah,
So
big
I'm gonna call
back.
it big back.
Because of the original TV, them are one thing. That heavy no that you trying to carry come a road. You carry come a road, man, laugh off of you.
Did the narrator just ask the man why they call it big back? Brother, the answer is in the question. Why they call it big back? Because the back big. And Joker don't know what the new TV they call. Alright, Joker, the new TV they call flat screen. And Johnny just did it, so I take in everything and I say nothing. I first video me see a Johnny where he didn't say a word. One of Johnny have animal problem. Cause I know that Johnny don't have girls problem or woman problem, cause I know I know woman. But I animal them in love, that he say. So problem I have animal problem, that's the reason why he's so quiet. But and then again, I first video me see Johnny and this one, I guess he named Joker. Where they know they run fireside or pot or they not talk about no kitchen or cooking. First video where they not cook. History in our makings. We have one more, so we're moving forward.
Out of the man them, the guys them, male, who have the only woman and have grown and that's a rare. A problem.
But I can tell him about this.
Oh,
Leave this alone.
problem, crosses and stress.
Oh, you know that.
Oh, me know that? Because
And you don't have no woman.
because me hear them.
Yeah, no man problem, because you don't have one woman.
What I'm
Yes.
what I'm simply saying,
Hey.
the man them who have all these women,
Hey.
you hear them a talk about boy check call me and I say phone bill for pay, water bill for pay, 2 bucks they go.
So what wrong with that?
What wrong with that?
Eh.
Me not join that. My of them can call me and tell me say I'm a cow, I'm a goat say.
But you can't
But you can't hog cow and goat. But Johnny right. And Brother Cat right. You can't, go to bed with your animal them. And Johnny right. If you love your animal them or have your animal them to have and to hold, what? Till that do us part. They can't call you and say they bill need to pay and that. Johnny I run from the expense of having a woman. Say boss rather having animals which he can sell and make money. Can't sell a woman and make money. Anyways, moving forward, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed those videos, because I sure did. If you did enjoy it, just give the video a thumbs up. Share the video on Facebook. Yeah, man. Like the I'll give thumbs up already. Leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't, and click the notification bell. And as always, I appreciate you guys for tuning in. Come back tomorrow, watch the next one, and let's laugh some more. Until then, stay safe. God bless.